My question is, what other colors of abaya that a Muslim woman can wear? For example, is a color grade abaya permissible to wear for a Muslim woman?
Colored abaya, and abaya, by the way, is the outer garment that a woman wears. So if a woman wears a shirt and a skirt, she has to wear an external dress covering her physique. And usually it is black, as black is the most conservative color that draws no attention and does not provoke any desire. The companions of the Prophet ﷺ, among the females of course, used to wear such abayas in that color, in the black. Mother Aisha tells us that when the Fajr prayer was over, the female companions used to go back home unrecognized due to the blackness that they're wearing and the blackness of the salat ending time. And unlike the Hanafi madhab, the vast majority of the time the Prophet used to conclude the prayer ﷺ of Fajr when it's still dark. So Mother Aisha described that they used to wear black. Nevertheless, Islam is not restricted and did not restrict women to only wearing black. It's a cultural thing. Here in Saudi Arabia, the norm used to be that all women wear black. So there was no distinction. Everybody was like everybody else. Nowadays, unfortunately, women have, I wouldn't say evolved like Darwinism, rather it's the opposite. Nevertheless, they wear colored abayas. Culturally, this wasn't acceptable. Nowadays, maybe, maybe not. In other countries, if you go to Egypt, if you go to Kuwait, if you go to the Emirates, this is normal. If you go to Morocco, this is acceptable. However, we have to be careful not to wear colors that would not be appropriate. So a woman wearing red abaya, pink abaya, that is a little bit extravagant and may lure men to look and may tempt them, because this is worn to draw attention. And this defies the purpose of the hijab. Wearing gray, dark blue, dark green, all of these are okay, inshallah, without any problem, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Sulaimani from Germany.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I know that we are not supposed to mention the names of scholars.
So
However,
do not.
No, I do not. I do not. However, can I still share the question that was asked to him and his answer, so that I can ask you what it means, since I don't have access to that scholar?
You can.
Is it permissible?
You can.
Okay. He was asked, is loving to look at impermissible pictures which appear on the cell phones and internet, and always desiring this, considered as shirk, in which the person is a slave to these pictures? And the answer of the Sheikh was, yes, it is shirk of desire.
This is not true. Akhi, this is not true. We've said this so many times. Yani, if I smoke, if I enjoy having a cigarette after a fat meal and enjoy drinking it with my coffee, is this because I'm enjoying it shirk of desire? This is not true. There is a difference between shirk, which is associating others with Allah, and between a sin. Watching pornography, watching beautiful models on Instagram, enjoying what I'm watching, this is zina of the eyes. It is a sin. The Prophet considered it and called it the zina of the eyes. But he did not call it shirk. So I don't care who says it is shirk of desire. They could say whatever they want. But without Qur'an and the Sunnah and without the proper logic of it, sorry,